I'm gonna derive the formula of hyperbola, and for that I have drawn the figure hyperbola. Okay, I'm going to define this at first. The locus of point, the locus of points of is the locus of points or set of points, or you can say collection of points. The difference of those distances from two fixed point in here f1 f2 to fixed point which is known as foci is constant. So the hyperbola is the locus of points. The difference of those distances from two fixed points is constant. And in the figure, P is any point on the locus, F1 is the focus whose coordinate C0, F2 is the second focus whose coordinate minus C0, and this vertex coordinate A0 and this vertex coordinate minus A0, and this is the origin of two axes, x axis and y axis. So difference of distance, that means distance of Pf2 and Pf1. Difference of distance Pf2 and Pf1 is constant. Okay, so we can write Pf2 minus Pf1 equal, and it will start from C to all the way A, that means A minus C, A minus C, actually it will be minus A plus minus C minus A. So A plus C minus multiply minus plus A, CC cut up to A. So difference of distance from Pf2 and Pf1 is 2A. Now distance from point P to F2 is square root x plus c whole square plus y minus 0 whole square minus distance from P to F1 square root x minus c whole square plus y minus 0 whole square equal to A. Now I am going to convert this second term to the right side, and it's gonna be plus formula x square plus 2cx plus c square plus y square equal 2a plus a minus b whole square formula will apply here, x square minus 2cx plus c square plus y square. Now I am going to square on both sides. Squaring on both sides, x square plus 2cx plus c square plus y square equal 4a square plus 4a into x square minus 2cx plus c square plus y square, again x square minus 2cx plus c square plus y square. Now from both sides, like term we will cancel up. X square, c square, y square, x square, c square, y square, similar terms. So all these terms cancel up and I convert minus to cx from right to left. So it's gonna be 4cx equal 4a square 4a square root x square minus 2cx plus c square plus y square. Okay, from both sides 4 cancel up. That means cx equal a square plus a square root x square minus 2cx plus c square plus y square. Now I am going to convert a square to the right side, to the left side, and also squaring both sides. Squaring both sides. 2cx plus c square plus y square whole square. Convert a square to the left side and also square on both sides. So it will be a minus b whole square formula. That means c square x square minus 2a square cx plus a power 4. And here will be a square x square minus 2a square cx plus a square c square plus a square y square. Now like term from both sides we will cancel up. Minus 2a square cx and in here minus 2a square cx cancel up from both sides. And it's gonna be c square x square plus a power 4 equal a square x square plus c square a square plus a square y square. And now I'm going to convert a square y square to the left side, also a square x square to the left side, and a power 4 to the right side. So c square x square a square x square minus a square y square equal c square a square minus a power 4. Now x square common, x square, it will be c square minus a square, and here will be a square y square and a square common, c square minus a square. Now on both sides we gonna divide by a square c square minus a square. So divide both sides, x square c square a square divided by a square c square minus a square minus a square y square c square a square c square minus a square equal a square c square minus a square c square minus a square, and similar term cut up. So top and bottom cut up, a square cut up, and here will also be cut up, and we've got x square by a square minus y square c square minus a square equal 1. And we consider c square minus a square equal b square equal 1, and this is our standard formula of hyperbola, and it's very simple, right? I hope you make sense. I am Muzammil Haq and this is Muzammil World, and I'm looking forward to seeing you to the next video. Till then, you take care. Bye bye.